Hello, friends and readers. Today we are going to look at another poem called Little by Little. Remember, we are thinking about how poems progress and how we have different parts of poems like stanzas, the speaker. We're looking at how we can visualize while we are reading and so on. So, little by little, an acorn said, as it slowly sank in its mossy bed, I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Little by little, each day it grew. Little by little, it sipped the dew. Downward it sent out a thread-like root. Up in the air sprung a tiny shoot. Day after day and year after year, little by little, the leaves appeared, and the slender branches spread far and wide, till the mighty oak is the forest's pride. So, friends, this is our poem, Little by Little. It was written by an anonymous poet, but we can look at it for the parts that it does have. So, this poem has 3 stanzas. Stanza 1, stanza 2, and stanza 3. We also can notice that this poem is rhyming. Grew in dew rhyme, root and shoot, year appear, wide in pride, set in bed, day away. So this poem is written in a pattern, and the pattern is A, B, B. The first 2 lines rhyme, and then the next 2 lines rhyme. These 2 lines rhyme, and then so on. So this is a rhyming pattern. Little by little, an acorn said, as it slowly sank in its mossy beds, I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Little by little, each day it grew. So as we look at this poem, it is broken up into 3 parts. At first, we have an acorn. Then we have our tree sprouting. And then in the end, we have a proud oak tree that is giant. So when we talk about poems, we have them just like a story, a beginning, middle, and end. And in the beginning, we had an acorn. In the middle here, we have a little sprout that's going to grow. And then in the end, we have a proud oak tree. So when we think about this poem, we look at what words repeated that helped us know the rhyme, which we went over. The set in bed, day away, grew in dew, which is what gives us that rhythmic pattern as I read it. Little by little, an acorn said, as it sank slowly in its mossy bed. It almost sounds like you're singing a song when a poem rhymes. This poem is telling us as readers about the stages in which this tree is growing. And we look at poems, we can learn different things, but we're also visualizing this tree growing and getting bigger and becoming the tree that it is. And it started off as a little acorn. We know that it takes a while to grow because it says day after day and year after year. This tree is just blossoming. So when we look at poems, just like a story, it's written in order and it's written in which the events happen. So continue to read different poems, look at the order in which they were written, and enjoy.